box. Number 2 is ELEGOO Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. If you're looking for the ultimate 3D printer to bring your statues to life, then the ELEGOO Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer is your answer. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey of creativity and innovation. This incredible machine boasts a mind-blowing 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen that will make your jaw drop with its ultra-high resolution of 7680 by 4320. It's like watching your statues come to life on the big screen. With the ELEGOO Saturn 8K, you can achieve unparalleled precision and mind-boggling detail. Thanks to its XY resolution of 28.5 microns, every little curve and intricate feature of your statues will be flawlessly reproduced. And guess what? The exposure time per layer is a mere 1 to 3 seconds. Talk about lightning fast! But wait, there's more! This printer offers a significant build volume of 219 by 123 by 210 millimeters, giving ample room to unleash creativity. Whether you're dreaming up a large masterpiece or producing multiple parts in one go, the ELEGOO Saturn 8K has you covered. Let's remember the rock-solid structure of this beast. With its non-slip hexagon socket leveling screws and sandblasted build plate, your statues will adhere perfectly during printing. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.